pasta today. First of all, you get, these are peeled shrimp, just the tails on, about 10 of them for pasta. So you just take raw shrimp, 1 big kitchen spoon of my base, crank it up on high, about 1/4 cup of water just to cook the shrimp. And then reduce that water out of there, and then we're just gonna add butter and half and half from there. But as soon as this water reduces out of there, ready for the next step. All right, the water's gone, and all you have left in here is base and cooked shrimp. All the water's gone. You wait till the water's gone, turn it off, and then you add about 3/4 of a stick of butter. So, about like that. Melted butter. Just take a second. Ooh, let me. There, just one little bit. I'm thinking 1/4, maybe. Let's say 1/3 of a cup of half and half goes in. Mix that up. Turn it back on high. And then get my pasta here. Got my pasta, or it's cooked pasta, so just add that there. And then you're gonna leave it on high so it'll tighten up. You could throw a little Parmesan cheese if you like Parmesan cheese, or you could top it with Parmesan cheese, either way. A little Parmesan cheese. And let's get ready to tighten up. It's a little loose still, but just a second, it won't be long. All right. Get some wet. There you go. BBQ shrimp pasta.